Ano yung kanyang duck? Grabe, oh. Ang laki. Ang duck. Oh. Cotton candy duck. Harap mo yung duck. Yan. Talaga naman. Okay. Which part you're going to start?
I don't know. The tail.
Oh, the tail. Yan, kinakain na po ang duck. Yan po. Ay, nako. Yan, wala nang tail ang duck. Oh, anong lasa ng duck?
Good.
Good daw.
I like chicken.
Ha? Yan po, kinakain na ang duck. Yan, ang batang kumakain ng cotton candy duck.
I would eat this.
Oh, you kiss. You kiss the duck. Ayan.
The tail gone.
Kinagat na po ang tail. Kinagat na ang lips. Kagat mo yung lips.
Wet.
Ayan, si Lolo. Pumiraso na din.
Water it.
Duck. Yeah, you don't need to finish it, ha?
It's all over my skin.
Sasakay daw kami sa roller coaster.